Hi guys, Mrs. Abel here, and welcome to Anatomy 2020. So, this is not how I expected to be starting the year, unfortunately, but we are going to make the best of it, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of your virtual classroom. Some things to note, when you click on your anatomy classroom, it will open up like this. This is called my Bitmoji classroom, and I designed it. And I will be posting kind of the plan for the week on this chalkboard every week. So you'll kind of see what your expectations are, what maybe assignments or things that we're going to cover for the week. You will be able to go back and look at previous weeks. If you missed something or you forgot what you were supposed to do last week or whatever. And I'll always keep it updated with the week of like October 21st or something like that. So you'll see the week that's like your cue to know that you're in the correct week and you're not missing assignments. So I'll post assignments here. Right now while we're in virtual mode, assignments are going to kind of be fluid. I'll publish what I expect for the week and it'll be up to you to get it done. Of course, I'll be nagging you if you aren't. Nicely encouraging you to get your stuff done. So this week we're going to do a few little get to know you things. I know a lot of you, but I don't know some of you quite as well. So I want to hear about your summers in a little summer story Flipgrid. And I also want to get to know you through a little worksheet. Normally I would be handing it to you in person and you'd be filling it out. I can't do that. So I'm trying a couple new things. You're going to be my guinea pigs and hopefully we figure it out. This takes you to a Canvas assignment. In that assignment, I have published the PDF of this worksheet, as well as my version, or like I filled the worksheet out myself so you can learn about me. And I've uploaded it into a program called Kami, and that is where you can actually write on the PDF document, like with a stylus on your smartphone, or you can draw text boxes, or you can draw pictures, and we're going to see how that works and see how it submits to me. So hopefully that works well. If not, print it out or ask me. I'll get you a paper copy, no problem, and we can do it that way. Finally, we're going to dive into anatomy right off the get-go with starting to learn our anatomical directions. It's not easy when we start talking about anatomy, especially as we go further into the different body systems, that you are going to be responsible for learning terms like medial, and then they just use them regularly, like it's the superior, posterior, and these terms can be difficult. They're not ones that we have learned, so we have to start out there. And I have a video, but it's an actual assignment, so it'll take you to a quiz where I have the video published in the quiz, so watch the video in the quiz and then take some of the quiz questions. I have it set up as quiz questions. It's not necessarily a very scary hard quiz. It's just to get you thinking about what are these terms. We're going to keep working with them over the next couple of weeks as we start learning them, and like I said, it gets pretty important. My goal in anatomy is not for you to become a doctor. From my course. That's unrealistic. Anybody who, if you're going into the medical field at all, you're going to do several more anatomy and physiology courses. But I really focus on getting you prepared to explore anatomy. I want you to walk out of here with a basic understanding of how your body works so that you could have an intelligent conversation with your doctor if you need to, or you're talking to another medical professional about something. I don't want you to say, oh, my tummy hurts. You know, you can address it, my actual stomach hurts, or a different part of my intestine, or I broke my ulna. So we can use some specific terms to discuss our bodies, and I want you to know how the systems work together so for us to function as a whole. I also like to focus a little bit on study techniques because many of you are wanting to go into medical careers and colleges would be in your path, and therefore you are going to be responsible for learning how to learn mass quantities of vocab and memorizing lots of things. So I don't necessarily expect that you are going to be a rock star at memorizing from the get-go, but I hope that we can develop some different study skills and I can share with you techniques that I know work for me to maybe make you more successful in future education opportunities. So those are my goals. Just so you know that this is what it looks like when you open Canvas, but if you like the more traditional route of modules, don't worry, that's been designed for you too. So if you click on modules, you'll be able to see that I'm going to keep things organized. Here is our anatomy startup module, basically, kind of all the stuff that you might need. Here is a link to my Google Meet. I'm available via Google Meet for these first 2 weeks all day. I'm most available during your class time because I know that you might have other classes scheduled. So for during your class time, I'm really dedicating that time to my anatomy students so long as they show up. That being said, if you show up at a different time, it doesn't mean I'm going to say, oh, sorry, not your time. I'm always here to help, and we can make arrangements for whatever you need. But this is the link to get in touch with me. And I will, this first week, we aren't going to have any set in stone dates. I will be available. I would love to see all of your faces Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, hopefully. But starting the next week, we will have some more or less class discussions and kind of getting us started. So please be aware that I would like to have the class meet live if possible. And then the other things that you have here is your summer story flip grid. Here is the getting to know you little sheet. It shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to fill out, 5-10 if you add a little extra. And the anatomical directions, short video, and we start to talk about what do these terms mean. And you're going to need to come up with some ways to start memorizing them because they are different. All right, and here is kind of the start page where this video is housed. And some other information that you might need to know. I'll always provide a week at a glance. That's in this page this week. And then I'll start building the modules as we get into, we're going to start with directional terms. We'll head over to the skeleton and work through the different systems there. There will be dissections, so be prepared for that. I've already ordered our cats for dissection, and we have lots of other things to dissect. So I will provide all the material for that, but make sure that you're aware that dissection is part of the class. It's, I think, the funnest part. So anyway, I'm so glad that you have decided to take anatomy with me this year. I really appreciate it. I look forward to getting to know all of you and having fun with you, and hopefully it will be in person soon. I'm hoping you all had a safe summer, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.